Hello students of class 8. Today we are going to start our new session with chapter 2, the growth of nationalism. Okay. So students, first before going to the chapter, we'll see what is nationalism. So here nationalism means feeling love towards the country or a patriotic feeling. Okay, love towards the country, love towards the national flag, national anthem, etc. So here in Europe, before the middle of 19th century, the countries were not like this. What you see on the map now, so the countries were not like that. So in those days, in Europe, countries were ruled by the monarchs. Okay. So here multinational dynastic empires were ruling the countries here. So social and political and economic changes, they helped in the developing of the ideas of nationalism. So the process of creation of nation state, it started from 1789. Okay, nation state. Nation state started from 1789 here. So this year we can also say that it was the starting of the French Revolution here. So it took about 100 years for the idea to gain, concentrate the shape, which resulted in the formation of the France from monarchy to the democratic type of government. So next we'll see the French Revolution. Okay, so the French Revolution, it started from 1789 to 1799. Okay, French Revolution started from 1789 to 1799. So this time you can see there was a great revolution or changes took place in the politics as well as the social sectors. Okay, so which led to the end of the monarchy and a democratic government formed in France. So these changes were accompanied by violent turmoil, which included trial and execution of the king. And you can see the French Revolution, it was full of bloodshed, reign of terror also took place. So now we'll see what were the causes for the French Revolution. Causes for the French Revolution. So first point is that wars and economic crises. Okay, so first point for the causes for the French Revolution is that wars and economic crisis. So students, here if war takes place, then there will be a economic crisis, isn't it? So when in 1774 Louis XVI, he ascended the throne. So when Louis XVI ascended the throne, what did he see? He saw that the treasure was empty. Okay, so why the treasure was empty here? Because the nation France had gone for the 7 years war. Okay, 7 years war. So that took place in 1756 to 1763. Okay, so 7 years war had taken place, as well as Revolutionary War in America under Louis XIV. Okay, so this were the two reasons, that is the 7 years war as well as Revolutionary War in America. These two wars, it made economic crisis in France. Okay, so that's why when Louis XVI, when he ascended the throne, he could see that the treasure was empty here. Okay, so after this Revolutionary War in America, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from Britain. So it was a good thing, isn't it? But here what happened? The war added more than a billion livres. Livres means the currency used by the France. Okay, so more than 1 billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Okay, so this debt, it also made the treasure empty. So next we'll go for the next point. What is the next causes for the French Revolution? So next point was social disparity and excessive taxation. Okay, social disparity. Social disparity means division of society. So here society was divided into first estate, second estate, third estate. So the society was divided into three estates here, that is first estate, second estate, third estate. Okay, so in the first estate you can see clergymen and fathers were there in the first estate, and they were not asked to pay the tax. Okay, they were not asked to pay the tax, that is exempted from the tax. Even the second estate also, second estate, nobles and landlords, aristocrats, they were there in the second estate. So they were also exempted from the tax. Whereas in the third estate, you can see the common people, they were there in the third estate. So this third estate people, they were the sufferers. Okay, they were leading their life in a very misery. Okay, so these people, they had to take the burden of paying the tax here. Okay, and all the new taxes were also imposed to the third estate people. Okay, so students, I hope this topic is clear to you all. So today we'll stop this video here. So we'll continue with the next video in the next session. So everyone, go through the chapter once again. Thank you children. Have a nice day.